Okay, I got asked about triangle congruence again, so I'm going to give this another shot, kind of work through and see, because they specifically were talking about the angles. I may not do all 7, but I'll do a couple. Okay, so it wants to know if these two triangles are congruent. Well, there's many things to talk about. They do have a congruent side, so we at least have that. But the problem is they don't have congruent angles. Now, they do have one congruent angle. This angle and this angle add up to 143. The entire thing has to add up to 180. So indeed, this is 37. So that angle is 37. However, this angle is 33. So these don't match, these don't match, these do match, and I do have one side, but everything's not in the right place. Like even the 5 isn't across from the 37. See how the 5 is across from the 37 here, but it's not here? These are clearly not congruent. Okay, now here's another one. Similar idea, okay? Look at the angles. This plus this, 73 plus 67, that adds up to 140. So that means this is a 40-degree angle because all 3 angles have to add up to 180. And this is 108 and 45, so that's 153. That makes this, what, 27? So none of the angles are the same. None of the sides are the same. These clearly are not congruent. Okay, none of the sides are the same. Well, that's not true. We have one side the same, but the other 2 sides are the same, clearly not congruent. Okay, this one. So we clearly have a side that's the same. 45 plus 31 adds up to what, 176? And if you take that 176 and 76, and you subtract 180 from, you take 76, 180 minus 76, let's see if I can phrase that correctly. You get 104. That's not 104. So even though they have an angle that's congruent, even though they have a side that's congruent, they don't have all sides and all angles congruent. And there is, I'm kind of looking for one where there's not enough information because they were asked about that one. Okay, this one is congruent. It's got a match, 2 matching sides and a matching angle. That's side, angle, side. Those are congruent. Okay, here's one where we don't have enough information. We have 2 congruent sides, but we simply don't have enough. I don't know if any of the angles are equal. I don't know if the third side is equal. So you need either all of them, or you need one of the postulate things: side, angle, side, 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 angle, side, angle. If you don't have enough information, so this is a classic one with no information, not enough information. Last one, okay, I got one side congruent, I got 2 sides congruent, I got an angle congruent. That is side, angle, side, side, angle, side. That's one of the postulates. That's congruent. Again, I hope going through this again helped. If it didn't, ask again. I'll give it another shot. Maybe I'll try to find somewhere else to find some problems from if this one doesn't work.